Welcome to our guide on mastering eBay SEO and title optimization on eBay. SEO, or search engine optimization, on eBay is about crafting your listings titles to ensure that they appear on the top of the search results to all potential buyers that are looking for items that you're selling. So in this guide, I will show you exactly how to make the great titles for your eBay listings, and you will learn how to use Zik's Title Builder, a really helpful tool to find top searched keywords. Our video is more than just tips and tricks. It's a hands-on guide that walks you through the process of crafting winning eBay titles from the ground up. So let's not just waste time here. Let's jump right into it. So I picked a really cool product to talk about. This is a 20mm rubber silicone watch strap band for Omega Seamaster, and it's on sale for $40.41 and has been a hit. Check it out. Sold 13 times in the last month and 48 times in total on eBay. Now, I'm going to walk you through how I'm going to make this product title even better. So imagine that you've got a similar watch strap that you want to sell on eBay, and you're aiming for a title that stands out more than your competitors, right? So let's do this. Here's my game plan. I'm going to use Zik Analytics and head straight to the Title Builder tool, like this, and then it has a few settings that you have to tweak a little bit. So you pick your marketplace. We're using eBay, and then where you ship the product from right here, and then you can pick anywhere based on where you're selling from. And then you can set the sales date range that you want to look at, which I recommend setting to 30 days. Okay. There's also a really cool option right here to exclude certain words that you don't want to show up in your research. And it's super handy if you're selling in a crowded market and you want to avoid common but irrelevant terms. For instance, smartphones, right? And let's say you want to sell smartphones and you don't want to see keywords like Apple or iPhone or Samsung because it's not really relevant for yourself. So you can put here like the negative keyword and phrases that you want to exclude and still not come into the search result. I'm going to show you this in a little bit. Now, once we are all set, it's time to optimize our title. So don't forget to hit the like button to help us make more free videos and share knowledge. All right, so first we identify the keywords that best describe our product. For example, watch strap band. Right, and then we pop these into the title builder. Zik then analyzes eBay for the best matches, breaking down the top 100 listings on the keyword groups. So here on the left side, what you can see is the long tail keyword ideas. And the long tail keywords are very important because eventually when someone goes to search for something, the person will not just type or search for a watch or strap or band, right? People will search for a combination of keywords such as watch, strap, band. And these are the keywords that you search for something more specific. Now, here on the right side, and we have these two boxes because sometimes in subtitles we'll not have enough space to add more keywords or add more long tail keywords, and we will look for generic keywords for single keywords to add to the title. Now, what I noticed here, some unrelated keywords popping up like Apple. All right. And this is a strap that is not meant for Apple watches. And then I can just exclude them and search again. So I'm going to type here Apple on the exclude phrase section right here and search again. We also see these three key metrics right here. You see the average searches, competition, and sales. We'll focus on competition and sales because they tell us not just how many people are looking, but how many people are buying. So like this, we are focusing on results. Next, I will check out the competitor's title, copy it, and then tweak a little bit. Remember to hit the like button to support us and continue to create these videos and share knowledge at no cost at all. Right, so let's jump into our competitor. This is our competitor that we decided to compete with or decided to learn from. This is seller Gridlock Box, right? And the goal here isn't to change the title completely, but to refine it by adding or removing keywords based on their effectiveness, because we know that this guy sold this product 48 times since it was listed, and this is a title that drives traffic for the product and generates sales. So the title already has these top long tail keywords right here, such as watch band strap, silicone watch band, band strap for, and watch strap band, for example. And I'll drop belts due to lower search volume and swap watch band right here for replacement. Okay, like this, because it shows higher sales and searches. Check it out, like this. All right, and if we're selling the same model, keeping Seamaster 300 and 20 millimeter size makes sense. Now, we do have a few characters left here. What we could do, we could add, for example, new, right? Because new highlights that it's a new product and you have that free space, so why not, right? This is it. We end up with this new catchy title right here, better than our competitors. It's the new 20 millimeter rubber silicone watch strap band replacement for Omega Seamaster 300. Sounds pretty good, huh? Okay, so basically we just tweaked the keywords a little bit, right? And we removed a few keywords, we added other keywords, and we made sure that we're upgrading the keywords by adding another keyword that proved to generate more sales. And we removed all the unnecessary keywords or keywords that don't have effect on search results that much. Now, is this enough? This is completely enough, and you don't need to do more than this. So you just copy the title here to clipboard and paste directly to your eBay store or lister, or the product saved to your folder. And now you do the same process again and again and again. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward and see you next time.